Hi all, a lot of students ask me where should I bring in my CAT preparation? What should I be doing in the month of May? Firstly, May is the right time to start. It is neither too late nor too early. It is just the right amount of time that is required to crack CAT. So firstly, very well done. Secondly, what I'd say is that when it comes to quant, the topic that has the most weightage, the most importance is arithmetic. So when you are starting your CAT preparation, begin with arithmetic. Get very good at profit and loss, time, speed, distance, time and work, everything. That is extremely important. After arithmetic is done, you can then move on to algebra, geometry, other topics. But firstly, get arithmetic locked down. The most important topic for VARC is RC. But a lot of students start by directly solving RCs. Now, before I tell you where you should start your preparation for LRDI and VARC, please follow Kraku's Instagram channel, Kraku Exam. In this particular Instagram channel, we provide you all the updates regarding exams, application deadlines, everything. So this will make your MBA journey much smoother. So please follow us on Instagram at Kraku Exam. Now coming back to topic. If you are somebody who already has a reading habit, if you read articles daily out of interest, then you can directly start by preparing for reading comprehension by solving RC passages. But if you are like majority of students who do not have a regular reading habit, the first step that you have to take in VARC is developing a reading habit. For this, I want you to read regularly. Kraku shares daily articles. I want you to read all the articles every single day. Keep a reading log. In that reading log, you write down the article name that you have read. Also write down the main points of each article you read. This will help you quite a bit in improving your reading habit as well as your comprehension skills. Now, the first step for LRDI is that for LR, it is that you should start by solving arrangements and puzzles. For DI, you should learn how to solve table-based sets and charts-based sets. Both of these are fundamental skills that are required. See, based on arrangements and puzzles, you will be able to solve then quantitative puzzles. You will be able to solve 2D, 3D, LR puzzles. All of that requires this base of arrangements and puzzles. Similarly, for DI, you will then be able to solve table with missing values, table with range-wise values, table with cumulative values. All of that will be possible if you solve table-based DI sets, and charts and tables are the basic foundational skills that are required for DI. So the first topics that you have to cover for each of the sections is for quant, arithmetic. For VARC, develop a reading habit. For LRDI, arrangements, puzzles, table-based sets, charts. This is basically what you should be doing in the month of May and June.